Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to request for boat ride. If you don't know how to do it, kindly watch the video to end. Follow the steps so that you not miss any tips or any steps. Let's start. So if you don't have the app, you go to App Play Store or iOS or Android Play Store. You search for boat and download it. And you download, you open. You tap your phone number. Top there, you type your phone number. So I'll type my phone number here. I'll click continue. It is processing. Remember, our motive is to use boat or to request a boat ride. So here to give me yes, the code has come, so I've entered. But one thing is, they will send you through WhatsApp. The code they will send you through WhatsApp. So let's continue. So enter your name. So I'll enter my name here. It's Ma Official. That's my name. Continue. Here it is asking you to the payment method. We have card, debit card or credit card. That's your card that you use when you go to the bank for the ATM machine. And you have Momo Pay, Tigo Cash, MTN Cash, and Voda Cash. And you have physical cash. But make sure you have the money on you, or you have the money on the wallet. So you choose the one, either you have physical cash or so I will choose cash, or you choose whatever you want. So here it's asking you to here that it was check where the driver is. So it is where are you? So it's asking you where are you. So you can see set later automatic. So you turn on your location. So here, good. So here, this is the. So here you see where are you. So you click where to. So it's asking you to Tamale Airport, whatever. So different location that I'm going. Lama Shegu. Good. Here this is telling Lama Shegu. So where is that? Lama Shegu police station. Lama Shegu primary. So here you type the person here. So when you type the location, it will bring where you are going, the exact locations that the car you alight. So the exact location that you alight. So here I'll type the Lamashegu police station. So here it is searching for. Here, let me show you something. Here I'll pay physical cash. So the orders are here. I have the boat, that's 18 cedi. Boat track 26. So the one I prefer, I'll choose. So I will select. So it's processing. car are busy now. Car are busy now. So which means the car is busy. So for now I have to wait now. So for now I have to wait. The cars are busy. So this is how to order a ride through boat. So here, if the car is available, it will channel me to the car type, the car color, the car number. Everything will appear, and I'll start chatting with the driver. So, driver, where are you? When are you coming? The driver will say, oh, I'm 2 minutes away from you. So this is how to do it. First, when you log in, it will tell you where you are going, and you enter your destination, where you are going. It will bring you here. Tap the payment method. So this is how to request a boat ride. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.